all that glitters is not gold because it is green for the stock market this time. Green energy stocks have surged, and how in the last 1 year, giving massive gains to its investors. So some of these renewables are not just good for the climate but also for your portfolio. Why are green energy stocks surging, and should you put your money into them? Let's analyze. Hello and welcome. I'm Pallavi Sharma and you are watching ET Now. Renewable energy contributes over 70% of the new power generated in India. This was in FY24, and green energy stocks too have given massive gains of over 600%, and that too in just 1 year. Stocks include KP Energy giving massive 654.70% gains in just 1 year. So if you had invested 1 lakh rupees 1 year ago in this stock, it would become 7.81 lakh rupees today. That is on May 7. The list goes on with KPI Green Energy giving 528.22% gains, WAA Solar with 522.28% gains, SJVN with 235.39%, BF Utilities with 148.35%, Orient Green Power Company with 140.41%, NHPC with 117.54%, Adani Green Energy with 90.35%. With the world focusing on green energy and green transformation, discussions surrounding climate change increasing, experts say that many new multi-billion-dollar enterprises are expected to rise in this sector. India's total installed energy capacity has now reached 442 gigawatt, with renewables comprising of about 33% and hydro contributing 11%. The share of coal in India's total installed capacity has fallen below 50% mark for the first time. India has an ambitious target of reaching 500 gigawatt of non-fossil fuel capacity by 2030. The revised target is 50% of energy requirements from renewable energy by 2030. In 2023, India has spent $30 billion on green capital expenditure, which Morgan Stanley expects to grow more than $400 billion in decades 2023 to 32. Morgan Stanley bets on Power Grid with a target price of 355 rupees. Investors see opportunity in green energy sector for the next 10 to 15 years. They say Suzlon Energy, Inox Wind, ABB Thermax, BHEL and more will be in focus. In the interim budget this year too, climate change was given priority. Over 11,500 crore rupees were allocated for solar power, national hydrogen mission and wind power for FY25. Companies scaling up research and innovation in domains comprising renewable energy can get 50-year interest-free loans. PM Suryodaya Yojana was also announced to install rooftop solar plants on 1 crore households. Well, Adani Green is also building a 30 gigawatt renewable energy plant in Khavda in Kutch of Gujarat, and this would become the planet's largest power plant regardless of energy source. The size is estimated to be 5 times the size of Paris, and the company will invest about 2.3 lakh crore rupees in renewable energy and manufacturing capacity by 2030. So from electricity to transport, India is seeing a green transformation, and so should your portfolio as per experts. For more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.